In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve document clarity in Microsoft Word. We'll combine Word's built-in tools with proven writing practices so your documents read cleanly, look organized, and land with your audience. Start by opening your document and turning on Microsoft Editor. You'll find it on the Home or Review tab. Think of Editor as a smart proofreader that goes beyond spelling and grammar. It flags clarity and conciseness issues, nudging you toward active voice, shorter sentences, and simpler word choices. If you see suggestions like replacing utilize with use, take them. Your goal is to make the message easy to grasp on the first read. Next, get a quick clarity snapshot with readability statistics. To enable it, go to File, then Options, then Proofing. When correcting spelling and grammar in Word, make sure Check Grammar with Spelling and Show Readability Statistics are selected. Press F7 to run a check. When it finishes, Word shows scores such as the Flesch-Kincaid grade level and the percentage of passive sentences. Aim for a grade level that fits your audience. Around 7th to 9th grade is a solid target for general reports, while still preserving necessary technical detail. Now, listen to your writing with Read Aloud on the Review tab. Hearing the text exposes awkward phrasing, run-on sentences, and missing words that your eyes might skip over. If something sounds clunky, pause and revise it right away. When a word feels heavy or overly formal, right-click it and choose Synonyms to open the thesaurus. Opt for the simplest term that conveys the meaning. Everyday vocabulary keeps readers engaged and reduces cognitive load. Structure is just as important as word choice. Use the Styles group on the Home tab to apply Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on. Consistent headings create a visual hierarchy, make navigation effortless, and set you up for features like an automatic table of contents. Keep sentences tight and paragraphs short. 3 to 5 sentences is a good rule of thumb, and leave white space so the page doesn't feel dense. Prefer active voice because it's direct and easy to understand, as in, the cat chased the mouse, instead of, the mouse was chased by the cat. When you have steps, lists, or multiple related points, switch to numbered or bulleted lists so the content is scannable. And if you must use jargon or acronyms, define them the first time they appear. Finally, run the accessibility checker on the Review tab. It helps you fix issues like missing alternative text on images or low color contrast, ensuring your document is usable for everyone. Combine these tools and habits, and your writing will be clearer, more professional, and far easier to read.